Quantity number 16 is charge. First of all, charge is a scalar. Its unit is coulomb, and its base unit is, for base unit of charge, we should write formula. Charge is equal to current into time. So Q is equal to I into T, and the units would be, for I we have ampere and for time we have second. So it would be ampere second. So base unit of charge is ampere second. Now this is charge. Charge is a scalar. Coulomb is the unit of charge, and ampere second is the base unit. So this is all about the charge. Then after charge, number 17, we have voltage. Formula for voltage is, the other name for voltage is potential difference. The second name for voltage is also called potential difference. In your O level, you studied formula for potential difference or voltage as potential difference, or voltage is given as electric work over charge. So work done per unit charge is called potential difference. Now its unit and base unit. So to find its base unit, we can write that since voltage is work over charge and work is force into distance over charge would be current into time. So finally it would become MA into distance over current into time. So this would become finally voltage is equal to MA would be kilogram meter second minus 2, and distance would be in meters, and current would be in amperes, and time would be in seconds. So finally this would become kilogram meter square. It would become kilogram, then we have meter power 1 plus 1, second power minus 2, second power minus 1, and ampere power minus 1. So this is the final form of the unit. So finally what we will get is, for voltage it would become kilogram meter square, second minus 2 minus 1, ampere minus 1. So we get kilogram meter square, second minus 3, ampere minus 1. So another perception for this is, it is voltage could be written as power over current. Sorry, as you see, power is current, G beta, ले लो ले लो ले लो. Power is current. Power is current into voltage. Now you see unit for power is kilogram meter square second minus 3. For current it is ampere and is voltage. So from this we can get the same result as well. Just for example, here we get kilogram meter square second minus 3 over ampere if we go with this formula. So in any case, we are getting same unit for the voltage. So you can say that voltage, which is a scalar quantity, voltage which is a scalar quantity has a unit of volt, and base unit is kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 1. This is for voltage. The third quantity that we have to deal with, it is electric field strength. Electric field strength. Electric field strength is defined as E is equal to F over Q. Electric field strength is defined as E is equal to F over Q. Finally, it would become E is equal to F would be MA and over Q. So E is equal to electric field strength is equal to, for MA, basically it is force per unit charge. MA can be written as kilogram meter second minus 2 over charge could be written as current into time. So finally it would become kilogram meter. 1 second. We'll put units together. First we should write it as, for MA I will write kilogram. For acceleration I will write meter second minus 2. For charge I will write current into time. And finally it would become kilogram meter second minus 2 divided by ampere second. So the final form of base units will become kilogram meter ampere minus 1 and second minus 3. So these are the base units of electric field strength. Number 19 is, quantity number 19 that we have to cover is resistance. Formula for resistance is voltage over current. Now if we substitute the units of voltage, base units of voltage, it is kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 1, and this is divided by ampere again. So the base unit of resistance will become kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 1 minus 1. So this would become ampere minus 2. So kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 2. Now electric field strength and resistance. First of all, electric field strength is a vector. Its unit is kilogram, meter, ampere inverse, second minus 3. So this is the base unit. First we should write the unit. As it is F over Q, so its unit is Newton per coulomb, and its base unit is kilogram, meter, ampere minus 1, and as you see, second minus 3. So its base unit is kilogram, meter, second minus 3, ampere minus 1. This is for electric field strength, and this is the unit, and this is the base unit. Now for resistance, the unit and base unit are, the unit of resistance is unit of resistance is ohm, while base unit of resistance is base unit of resistance is kilogram meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 2. So this is the base unit for resistance. Now before moving on to quantity number 20, we have a discussion here that is about the electric field strength. Use base units to show that the electric field strength can also be written as E is equal to voltage over distance. So we have to show that the voltage over distance also represents electric field strength, and we have to show this using base units. Now we already found the base units of electric field strength. Base units of electric field strengths, base units of electric field strength that we found, they were kilogram, meter, second minus 3, ampere minus 1. These are base units of electric field strength. Now, if this formula gives these same base units, then it is verified. Let's find the base units of voltage over distance. Voltage over distance will have base units. Base units of voltage are kilogram, meter square, second minus 3, ampere minus 1. Divided by for distance, they are meters. So finally, it is kilogram, meter second minus 3, ampere minus 1. Yes, V over D has same base units as electric field strength. Now the conclusion of all this is that there are two formulae for electric field strength. It can be written as force per unit charge, or it could be written as potential difference per unit distance. So potential difference per unit distance will be same as force per unit charge. So electric field strength is a vector. Its unit is Newton per coulomb from this formula, or the other unit is volt per meter from this formula. And its base unit is kilogram meter second minus 3 ampere minus 1. So these two are the units, and this one is the base unit. In the next class, we'll cover the remaining quantities after number 20 from 20 to 24. Take care, students. Khuda Hafiz.